Daniel again with NIU STEAM. Chemistry is all about studying what happens when we combine different materials together. Scientists call these materials we're studying chemicals, and the changes that happen are called reactions. Let's do another chemistry experiment and make one of my favorite things, slime. The materials you'll need are half a cup of white or clear glue, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a cup of water, a medium-sized bowl, a spoon for mixing, and a tablespoon of saline solution. Your saline solution must contain boric acid and sodium borate. Be sure to check the ingredients list. The solution can usually be found at drugstores, but you can also use contact solution. Contact solution doesn't work as well as saline solution, but it'll work well enough for the activity. You can also add food coloring or glitter to your slime if you want to make yours fancy. But remember, that could also make it harder to clean up. If you use food coloring, you may also want to wear gloves to avoid staining your skin. To start, add both the water and the glue into your bowl. Mix them together thoroughly. If you want to add any glitter or color, you can put that in now too. Then add your baking soda. Because your baking soda helps make the slime firm, you'll want to add this slowly, while keeping an eye on how thick it's getting. Once you get the consistency you want, mix in saline solution. The slime should begin to firm and pull away from the bowl. Sometimes slime can be a little sticky, so put a few drops of saline solution on your hands before the next step. The solution will prevent the slime from sticking too much to your hands. Next, take the slime and give it a nice massage. Knead the slime and watch its consistency change. It starts off stringy, but the more you knead, the more it changes. You can also let the slime settle in a clean container, if need be. Now that our slime is ready, let's talk some more chemistry. Slime is super stretchy, and that's because of chemistry. The glue we used as a base is made from long molecules that can easily slide past one another. When we add the saline solution, it changes the way the molecules interact with each other. In other words, it causes a chemical reaction. Adding the saline solution causes all those long molecules to get nice and tangled up, so they can't just slide past each other like they used to. That changes the properties of our substance, and that's chemistry. Slime is fun and silly, and science can be too. Experiment with different amounts of ingredients to see what happens and create your own slime recipe. Is your perfect slime more oozy or more rubbery? Or somewhere in between? Show us on Facebook by posting a photo or video of your slime and tagging us at #NIUSTEMFest.